Quebec City is a beautiful and historic destination. A wonderful place to begin your visit is in Lower Town at Place Royale. Here you'll find Notre-Dame-des-Victoires Church, whose construction began in 1687, making it the oldest church in Canada. Stroll along Rue du Petit-Champlain, one of the oldest commercial districts in North America. The city was founded in 1608 by French explorer Samuel de Champlain, making it one of the oldest European settlements in North America. Old Quebec is filled with beautiful architecture, art, boutiques, and bistros. At the north end of Petit-Champlain Street, you'll find the funicular and the famous breakneck stairs, which climb 210 feet from Lower Town to Upper Town, arriving at the scenic Dufferin Terrace. From here, you can see Quebec City Hall and the iconic Château Frontenac. The chateau opened in 1893 and is often called the most photographed hotel in the world. Nighttime in the city has a character all its own. There are stunning vistas of the St. Lawrence River and the Laurentides and Charlevoix Mountains to the northeast. The Dufferin Terrace boardwalk follows the Quebec promontory and cliffs, known as Diamond Cap, leading toward the Citadel, the Fortress, the Battlefields Park, and the Plains of Abraham. Along the way are the ramparts of this walled city, begun in 1690, to provide a strategic military defense. We then walked Rue Saint-Louis back toward Upper Town Center. We couldn't pass up Café de Paris. Quebec City is home to many beautiful churches. Even the side streets and neighborhoods are full of charm. Another vibrant street to explore is Rue Saint-Jean. We stopped to sample the famous Canadian fried pastry known as a beaver tail. This is the magnificent Notre-Dame-de-Québec Basilica. We discovered the historic shortcut passage between Petit-Champlain and Rue du Soulefort. break at Café Terrace La Nouvelle-France, beside les promenades du Vieux-Québec shops. Later, we enjoyed a meal at Parmesan's. This massive Richard Mille clock sculpture, created for Quebec City's 400th anniversary, stands 11 feet tall and weighs 2 tons. Here is Quebec City Hall and Gardens. The 18-story Price Building, built in 1928, is the tallest building in historic Old Quebec. This concludes our visit to historic Old Quebec. Thank you for watching.